the key. This is just the beginning.
Me partner, you comprende al. For your girl when me feel like. See nigga, hope you realize. In the game like a beehive. Fast forward, no rewind. Drama kill the nigga in the meantime.
Might just be your bitch. That's on God. I might pull up in that 6. That's on God. All my homies off the shits. That's on God. All these bitches off the shits.
Through the key. This is just the beginning.
If I set it up, you tell me that I set it up. No credit, no credit. Stacking on the paper like this on. About the killer, stacking up the bird and play. Just sneezing, like you tell him I got pizza, killing everything I put on the road. Nigga, what I do? Call me rig on my road. Nigga, tell him I know. Love catch up, call these niggas too slow. Gonna be running the road. God is gonna be fucking your home. Head on the Bible, nigga, for sure. The spirit know I'm always on go.
That's on God. Hey. That's on God. That's on God. That's on God.
Ooh, I smoke so much, then blame God. Ooh, I fuck so much, then blame God. Fuck a nigga up, then blame God. Screaming out loud, why God? Ooh, I smoke so much, then blame God. Ooh, I fuck so much, then blame God. Fuck a nigga up, then blame God. Screaming out loud, why God?
We are only even here because we're about to get kicked out.
Screaming out loud, why God?
Alright guys, what's up? I never really introduced myself to the whole YouTube scene. My name is Kenny Valdez. I go by blah, blah, blah. Alright guys, what's up? I go by the name of Kenny Valdez. That's what most people know me as. A little bit about myself. Turn that off. Basically what I got here is my very first car that I pretty much owned under my name. It's a 2015 Scion FRS. Reasons why I bought it is because I love the way it looked and as well as handled. Of course it lacks power, but that kind of like took over me, the power part. It not having much power kind of didn't really affect it that much once I found out how well balanced this car is. So that's kind of what made me fall in love with it, and yeah. Some people ask, why did you get the BRZ over the FRS? The reason why I bought a FRS over a BRZ was mainly because in my area, when I used to live in Boston, they didn't have any brand new ones in stock. I was that anal person. I just wanted a brand new one, had to be World Rally Blue, and I couldn't find any. So I resorted to just going to a Toyota dealership and grabbing an FRS. My second color of choice was this pearl white. Absolutely love it. I'm glad I chose it. And yeah, this, as well as a lot of people ask, there's not too many differences once it comes to the FRS BRZ. I guess the main difference would be the front bumper, but they both have the same transmission, same engine, the F820, and pretty much everything else is the same. Just one has oversteer and one has understeer. I believe the FRS has oversteer and the BRZ has understeer. Correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah. So what's done to the car is that I got just BC coilovers, odd-hon wheels, 18 by 9.5 all around. The Lenty taillights. I got for exhaust system just a catback exhaust, NVIDIA. titanium tips. Then just a few little stuff here and there, just like the diffuser, Cusco strut tower bar, air intake, Canon air intake, and I think that's about it that I can remember that's on the car. My future plans with it is maybe to get BC coilovers extreme low. That way I can go a little bit aggressive look, and maybe get an aggressive wheel as well. Kind of just, I guess, stance it out. It's not, you know, I don't think I'm gonna end up turboing it or rocket bunnying it. Reasons why I don't want to turbo it is because I just rather, you know, just keep the motor as healthy, I guess, quote unquote, as possible. You know, don't modify the motor as much. I'm not going to rocket bunny in the simple fact because I don't want to cut my fenders or cut my quarters. I just want to kind of be one of those cars, like once it's like 20 years, I still have it, and I can still revert stock, go back to stock as possible, and yeah, just keep it clean and simple. What I would also like to do is in the future is maybe put JDL unequal length headers, maybe a lip. Well, actually I do have a lip. Maybe a splitter is something I'd like to do in the future. And that's about it. Maybe an air intake. Have a drop-in air filter right now, not an air intake. And that's about it. Next topic. What I like most about my car is, I guess, have to be the looks. Second to that would be the handling on this car is superb. I love it going around twisties or corners or anything like that. It just stays planted onto the ground. Other than that, that's pretty much it. I do love the stock seats it has. It's a kind of a bucket style seat. And that's about it. The topic is for this channel, what am I going to be doing? I guess what I'm going to be doing is show more content of my cars. Mainly this 240 because that car needs the most work, and that's the car that I am looking most forward to because I have a bunch of plans for that car. It is going to have a RB20 swap, just a RB20 DET, nothing special. Coilovers, wheels is a must, and probably a wide body kit is definitely something I see in the future. Obviously upgrading the turbos, making more power, trying to make probably around 300 wheel to 350. If I can get to that, I'd absolutely love it. As far as the Integra goes, all I'm really looking is just a nice simple daily, nothing too crazy. Coilovers, wheels, some aesthetics, lip, spoiler, maybe headers and exhaust and an intake, and call it a day. As far as the FRS goes, you guys already know the intentions with that. The lip, headers, just simple stuff. Steering wheel, probably change it to a nice carbon fiber steering wheel, make it look as OEM as possible, but nice as possible as well. Look for one of those at least. And just a few other things just to button it up and make it look more of a show car. So the Integra, so what we got going on is the Integra as a daily. We got the 240 is kind of going to be, I want it to be a drift car, quote unquote, or it could be a show car. I just want a nice, fun car to drive. I definitely want to know what that boost life is like, so that's something that I want to be looking forward to. As far as FRS goes, it's just a garage queen, nothing else. Maybe a show car. That's just how I want my cars to be. As far as that goes, thank you guys for checking out my video. Shout out to the security guard who came out here and tried to kick us out, but we went to a restaurant. That's the reason why it's nighttime right now. Shout out to Chinito who came out. He's the real MVP. Same thing with Mariah. And I appreciate you guys. If you guys could like, comment, subscribe. If you want more content, let me know. And as always, see you guys next time. Peace.